Morning, Stratford School. Mrs. Caravan here. So today we're going to be talking about plants. So hopefully you've all been able to germinate some seeds and you now have some seedlings. So I've got one green bean seedling here, and you're going to need one plant for this experiment. Today we're going to be talking about why a plant or how a plant uses light. So it needs light to grow and to make food. It has a process called photosynthesis. So if you break this word apart, and a lot of science words you can, have photo and synthesis. So photo means light, and synthesis is the production of a substance. So plants use light to make their food, which is carbohydrates. So they use light, carbon dioxide, and water to make their food. So plants really need sunlight. So there's another word for how a plant grows towards the light. You guys might have noticed you have houseplants in your windows that sometimes they'll turn so that their leaves are facing the window. So this is called phototropism. So we see the photo part of the word again, which means light, and tropism, which means turning. So plants are turning to the light, phototropism. So this is what we're going to be working with today, phototropism. So you're going to see just how badly a plant wants light. So we're going to be using a box today to make a plant maze. We're going to watch a plant grow to the light. So what you're going to need for this experiment is one box, your plant in a little pot, some extra cardboard to make your maze inside the box, some tape, and some scissors. And I already did my maze, so this is what it's going to kind of look like. So the first thing you're going to do is cut a big door on your maze. Here's my door. And then inside, you're going to use your other box to make your maze. See how I have different shelves inside there? Make sure they go all the way to the side. So add a few different spots inside for your plant to go around. After you get that done, in the top corner, you're going to put a hole for the sunlight to get in. So watch this. I'm going to shine a flashlight in the corner where the sunlight's going to go. So if I shine a flashlight in the corner, you see it's pretty bright in the corner here. But as you go down to the bottom, you're not going to get as much light. So I'm going to stick my plant in the bottom corner. Get him all the way under. He's kind of tall. If you have a shorter one, that's probably better. This guy's already grown a lot. So if I stick him in the back corner and sunlight comes in this top corner, it's not going to get much light down there. So it's going to use phototropism to find the light at the top of the box. So your experiment is to make a maze for your plant to grow through. And then take a picture of your maze so we see what you made. Put your plant in, close it up, close your door up, make sure it's nice and tight. We don't want any light getting into your box, except for through the top corner, where we're going to put this corner in the sunlight. So find a window and have the sun shine into the hole in your corner. And then in 1 week, I want you to open your box back up and take a picture of your plant and see where it's grown. Has it started to grow towards the light? It might take a week or two. I'm really not sure how long it's going to take, but we're going to watch and find out. So we'll take a progress picture in a week and see where our plant is. But eventually, hopefully, the plant will be coming right out the top corner. All right, so have fun making your maze.